Hi, it's Tom here from Kanbans and welcome to our November product update. This month we have two massive improvements to share with you, so let's get into it. The first is our new Chrome extension, which is going to radically transform how your back office team can capture and document on-screen processes. This is the best way to get crystal clear step-by-step SOPs. To get started, head to your SOP dashboard, click Create New, then choose Video SOP. If you haven't already, you'll need to download and install the Chrome extension first. But if that's done, great. Just hit Use Video SOP Chrome plugin or click the Chrome plugin icon in your browser bar and you're ready to roll. In this demo, I'm going to capture our internal process around how to book time off. You'll be asked to choose your microphone source so we can pick up your voice while you're screen recording. Next, you'll be asked to choose what you want to record, the entire screen or just a window. Select which one and hit Share. Then, just talk through your process as if you're explaining it to someone sitting beside you. It helps the AI if you break it down step by step. You can say next as you move from one step to another, but that's totally optional. And don't worry about perfect grammar, the AI will tidy things up automatically. You can pause or stop whenever you like, and when you're finished, just hit stop. Then the video will upload and be processed. Then you will see your SOP like this. You can edit the step descriptions and the timestamps, but you likely won't need to. The best part is that with having the steps well defined, you can easily skip to the parts of the video you need. And you have all the context in the video of someone explaining the process in detail. So that's our Chrome extension. We really hope you get value from this feature. Next, we're going to talk about task management. Many of you use our red-green card feature, which is great for visual management, ensuring daily, weekly, monthly tasks get done. In our last product update, we introduced a feature to facilitate custom text to go onto the cards. But now we have gone one further. You can now digitally track whether a task has been completed or not. Personally, for critical tasks, if I was running a factory these days, I wouldn't be comfortable with just the cards being flipped over. With this feature, we have a digital audit trail for all tasks. Here's how it works. On any SOP you want to track, go to the advanced options and you will find a new section, Track Task. If you toggle this on, options will be presented as to whether you want to track it daily, weekly or monthly, and when as to what time of day. You also have options to have notifications sent regarding the task, a reminder, or to notify you on failure or the task being missed. You can choose which specific users get notified, and finally there's an option to allow quick mark as done, which allows the user to mark the task as done without having to skip through all the steps of the SOP. So this all carries through to our QR codes, both the plain QR code and also the red-green cards. If we add this option to an SOP, we will now have an additional tracking QR code. When that QR code is scanned, the user is presented with the tracking screen and there are some optional inputs. If I'm not the logged in operator, I can enter my name here. Then I can skip through the steps. At any time, I can add a comment or even an image, which is useful if there's an anomaly, for example. We store all of this in the tracked response. If the task has been marked as critical in the SOP, that step will have a pass-fail mandatory tracked response, which we also record in the database. When we have gone through the process, we can mark it as passed or failed and add any comments. When the tracked task is complete, the response can be shared or downloaded, or just hit the back button to go back to the dashboard. You can see how your tracked tasks are faring on your SOP analytics page, where we show any failed or missed tasks. Here's an example of a failed task for Lumen Bathroom, where you can view the audit response and what has happened. This can also be downloaded as a PDF. This feature really lets you convert any SOP into a simple checklist with task reminders and tracked responses. It adds another layer of functionality onto the SOP and we really hope you get value from it. We have another massive product update coming in December, so please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or our newsletter to keep up with the latest news. And thanks for watching.